In this video, we're going to go over the appearance editing options. So that is the little paint roller icon up here in your template builder. So this is going to change your global level settings applying to your emails by default. So this includes template settings, button settings, divider settings, custom CSS, as well as mobile formatting. So with each of these options, you can click on the icon here, and then each of these is going to open up with different edit options. So with template, you can select the background color. So you can click on this option and select a color from the given options here. So you can see that that's going to change the background of the entire email template. You can also add a custom color code by going to Advanced and then typing in your custom color code here. And then body color, you can do the same thing. So you can click on this icon and choose a color. That's going to change the body color background of your entire email. Again, you can go to Advanced and type in a custom color code here as well. And then content width here, you can toggle this up and down. This is going to change the width of this content box here. And then you can also type numbers in this box as well. And then if you'd like to add a background image to your email, this is going to change the background of the entire email content. So you can click here to upload an image from your computer, or you can paste a background image URL here as well. Going down to button, this is going to change any button that you have within your email. So here you can change the radius. So toggling this down is going to make the corners more pointed, where going up is going to make the corners more rounded. You can change the button color of all of your buttons by clicking on this option here. Again, you can select one of these color options, or you can go to Advanced and type in your custom color code here. You can change the font on all of your buttons by clicking on this drop down and then selecting a font type here. And then you can change the font size by toggling this up and down as well. If you'd like to bold, italicize, or underline the text within your button, you can select from these options. And then to change the font color on your button, you can select this here. Again, you can select one of these color options or go to Advanced and type in a custom color code. Going down to divider, this is going to change the dividers within your email template. So if you have multiple dividers, it's going to edit all of those. So here you can change the height by toggling these up and down. Again, you can paste a number in this box as well. And then to change the color of your divider, you can select this icon, select one of these given color options, or go to Advanced and type in your custom color code here. And then your divider style, you can select from dashed, dotted, or solid. Going down, you have your custom CSS. So this will change the custom CSS within your email builder. So you can paste your custom CSS code in here, or you can type in your custom CSS. If you are not super sufficient with custom CSS, we suggest that you work with your web developer to customize this. And then once you have that pasted in, you can click on your save option to save that. And then going down to mobile formatting, here you can change the different font types. So here we have heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, paragraph, and button. So when you toggle these on, you're going to have different options. So here you can change your font size. You can toggle this up and down. You can also paste a number in this box as well. And then for the text align, you can do left, center, or right. And then line height, this is going to adjust how much space is in between each line of text. And then as you see, when we toggle these on, you have the same edit options for each of these, as well as the button. And then the button, you can change your font size by toggling these up and down.